Hey everybody, I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour. I'm going to be using a 16 by 20 canvas. Don't forget your tacks. I put my tacks in the seams. If you put it in the wood, it tends to crack your frame. For my base coat, my white, I use 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part acrylic, and 30% water. My acrylic is Sox, heavy bodied. I love the way the purples, the deep blue, and the oranges come out. So I'm going to be using those colors. Got a few air bubbles I'm going to get out. I needed that white to blend in there and it wasn't doing it. All these have blended in, so it looked different. That looks better. My paint's starting to dry, so it's not blending as well. We're stopping there. Very pretty. This is all dry. There's got to be something I can do with this. I'm just not sure what. It's crazy, but I see these as wings. These are painter acrylic markers. You got a fine point and then a thicker point. I'm just going to use white folk art to separate these two to make the wings. This will be the body of the, it's not a butterfly, but we'll see what it is when it's done. How about we'll just say it's going to be something that flies. Now, doesn't that look like wings? I think so. Remember, if you like my video, to hit subscribe. This helps me to buy my supplies. I need 100 subscribers. I have 43. I need 100 before they'll let me advertise on YouTube. Once I advertise, every time an ad runs, I get a percentage. It's not much, but it does help pay for the supplies. So please hit subscribe. I'm retired now, and this is what I'm trying to do for a living. Subscribing to a YouTube channel does not cost a thing. What it does is every time I post a new piece of art, it'll notify you that I've done something to where you can see my next video, but it does not cost a thing for you. Before I started doing videos for YouTube, I looked up the process and everything. It said it would take 2 years, a year to 2 years for you to even be noticed, and that it would be a lot of work doing this. I thought, how hard could it be? But it is a lot of work to try to get on YouTube. I do 2 to 3 paintings a week that I film. Some of them don't come out, so you can't use them. You just set them to the side and hope one day you can come up with an idea for them. Or you paint over the canvases, but you do use that paint and it's a waste sometimes. I've been doing this now for 7 months. And for my supplies to get started, because I didn't have anything, cost me almost $3,000 to get everything I needed. I did it a little bit at a time. So it's not like we get on here and just throw stuff together. The ones that are actually on here all the time with artwork, they have a lot invested in it. Time, energy, money, and all we do, we wait for it to get enough so we can get ads on our YouTube channel. Some people never make it that far, they give up. It's just a lot. Just to put a video together takes me, if it's some of these paintings takes me 3 days. It takes a day to dry each time you do a step. put the video together. You're only allowed 15 minutes for your video. After that, they charge you on YouTube. Anything over 15 minutes you have to pay for. So you try to keep your videos down to 15 minutes. So you have to take 3 days worth of painting and videos and narrow them down to 15 minutes. It takes hours to put one together and to edit it to do that. I enjoy this so much though. It is just too much fun. I'm doing the body in white right now where the details show up when I do the hair.